Just a moment, ma'am. We are about to start the recording. Yes. So, very good afternoon to one and all. Thank you very much for connecting with us in time. And as all of us are aware, we have almost concluded this third batch of this short-term training program on biotechnology and its application in tribal agriculture areas, which was sponsored by All India Council for Technical Education and which is organized by Ballarpur Institute of Technology located in Ballarpur. And as all of us are aware, this topic is also very apt to be conducted at this point of time, especially when farming is taking a toll, and we can see that in the time to come, uh, it will be the most important thing. And As all of us are aware, because we are here to start with the valedictory function. I welcome you all. Thank you very much for being a part of this short-term training program. And may I now request our honorable coordinator of this short-term training program, under whose guidance this program was a huge success. May I request Dr. Archana Nimkar ma'am to please address the gathering. Thank you, ma'am.
Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am, you are audible.
Good afternoon, honorable dignitaries and the most punctual attendees of this STTP program. On behalf of Ballarpur Institute of Technology, the entire fraternity and the organizing committee, I, Dr. Mrs. Nimkar, feel immense pleasure to take this opportunity to propose the vote of thanks on the occasion of valedictory function of short-term training program sponsored by AICT and conducted by BIT Ballarpur. Before I start my formal vote of thanks, I think I must give a brief idea of choosing the topic biotechnology and its application in tribal agriculture area. As we all know, biotechnology, as the name itself suggests, it is the combination of two things, biology and technology. That means the technology applied in the field of biology. It helps to improve and improvise the life and culture of mankind to make it comfortable to sustain and survive in the challenging era of continuous change. Maybe the situation like pandemic we are facing now nowadays, or maybe pollution changes, diseases, and any environmental change or ecological change. Our college, Ballarpur Institute of Technology, is located in the Ballarpur city, situated exactly on the border of Andhra Pradesh and Maharashtra. And this particular area is backward area, as the people say, because mostly the people who are aboriginal belong to Madia community of Adivasi. And the Adivasis have particular lifestyle. They have their traditional practices of agriculture. Though they work hard, they do not get the rewards they deserve. And so we thought we should bring the multidisciplinary brains from different streams of engineering and technology, especially from the Department of Electronics and Mechanical Engineering and the science of biology and biotechnology. If we bring them together on a same platform so that they can share their views to develop a new insight that can be used as a tool that can be applied for further research and development, to be useful to improve the science by using various techniques of biotechnology, we can add value to the life of farmers, especially the tribal people who need a sincere help from scientists and industry. It will help them to grow economically, contributing even more to the overall economy of the country. At least this effort would lead to start a thought process in intellectual people present around here to take into consideration as to think what are the actual achievements in the field up to now and what can be added and done to enhance it. So, as a coordinator, what I personally feel we have succeeded to achieve a bit, you people present here will carry forward it to improvise a technology to help the people. Now, I must say, you must have learned many things in the 6 days so that you can you can get the deep insight into the subject. Now I formally propose my vote of thanks. First of all, I would like to thank our patron, Sanjay Vasade sir, for motivating us to conduct this STTP. Also, I would like to thank Rajnikant Mishra sir, the principal and director of BIT, who is constantly guiding us to conduct such programs. And he was the force behind us to make this program a success. Now, I'd like to thank our eminent guests who were here to guide and teach us various subjects. First of all, I would like to thank Miss Vanshika Adiani Madam, who was the chief guest and keynote speaker of the session 1 of phase 3. She has guided us on the topic on recent technological developments in food quality and glimpses of radiation processing. Thank you so much, Vanshika ma'am, for being with us. There were many speakers on this platform who taught us different subjects, and it's my duty to express my gratitude towards them. My heartfelt thanks goes to Dr. Sanjeev Patankar sir, ex-associate professor, GN College of Science, Ballarpur. He has done a lot of work, particularly with reference to the nutrition of agricultural people, and he has taught us how the food of tribal people can be enhanced by using a technology, biotechnology. He has guided us on the treatment of tribal malnutrition by using fermentation process. Thank you so much, sir, for being with us. Our next eminent guest for this STTP was Radhika Markar Madam, postdoctoral fellow, ICT Mumbai. She has guided us on the synthesis of biofertilizers and biopesticides from agricultural waste using biotechnological tools. Also, on the second topic, pros and cons of transgenic plants. Thank you, Radhika ma'am, for being with us. I must thank our next eminent speaker, Dr. G.K. Avari sir, HOD, Department of Automobile Engineering, Government Polytechnic, Nagpur. He has been a constant guiding force, and on this occasion also, he has guided us on the topic Introduction to Biotechnology and its application on in different sectors. Also, he has expressed his expertise on the topic Global Challenges and Direction for Agricultural Biotechnology. Thank you so much, Avari sir, for being with us. You have been always with us, and we expect that you will be there with us for next sessions also. We had next invited speaker, Mr. Abhijit Raut sir, a research scholar, VNIT Nagpur. His session was a kind of a different, it combined biotechnology with engineering, especially how the biotechnological field can be extended to the field of medicine and engineering. He guided us on the topic additive manufacturing, a boon to mankind. I think it was the topic which was related most to the all audience, because fraternity present over here belong to engineering as well as biology. Thank you so much, Abhijit Rao sir. Our next guest for this STTP was Harit Jha sir. He gave us insight into the topic multifaceted application of agroforestry waste, particularly with reference to lignin extraction. Thank you, Harit Jha sir, for being with us on this occasion. My heartfelt thank goes to our next invited speaker, Dr. Samir Deshmukh sir, Professor, LIT Nagpur. You have addressed us on biofuel, the benefits and affection. Thank you so much for being with us, sir. I also thank Dr. Pranay Raut sir, who has guided us on biotechnological advances to minimize post-harvest losses in fruits and vegetables, as well as on the advances in biotechnological engineering. Thank you, Pranay Raut sir, for being with us for all three phases of this STTP. I must thank all other members of my organizing team who have put this STTP a success. My thanks goes to our own Abhijit Rahadrahi sir. Abhijit, you have been exceptionally helpful working behind the scene. My special thanks goes to you. Thank you so much for being with us. I would also like to thank our co-coordinator for this STTP, Professor Neeraj Bais sir. Thank you so much, Neeraj sir, for being with us. I also thank other members of organizing committee, Mr. Maske sir, Giratkar sir, Kirti ma'am, Bomanwa sir. Thank you so much, dear all, for being with me throughout all the three phases of this STTP. I think what I must say, the STTP would not have been possible without active participation of all attending members. You have been all attendees, you have been curious and learners. Thank you so much for joining us for this journey of 6 long days. It takes a lot to stay connected for 6 days continuously, and you have done that. It shows that you are keen learner and you will achieve a big. I hope you have done a good job throughout these 6 days and hope you will do well in future also. Thank you for joining us. I thank all of you and I wish you best of luck for your bright future. Thank you so much. Now, I conclude my vote of thanks with this note. Thank you so much, all of you. Over to you, Abhijit sir.
Thank you so much, ma'am. And I suppose that this vote of thanks would be incomplete if we will not thank the coordinator of this short-term training program, Dr. Archana Nimkar, ma'am, who has just now proposed vote of thanks for everyone. So, as it is rightly said that it is the captain of the ship who makes the difference. I must say the captain of ship. This ship was coordinator of this short-term training program, Dr. Archana Nimkar, ma'am, under whose guidance the entire program was organized very smoothly. Behind the scenes, all the participants are aware that there are many things that keep going. A number of times it happens that the speakers on time they have to cancel their sessions, and then we have to adjust the schedule and things like that. However, all of this was smoothly. We were able to conduct all of this very smoothly because of her guidance. Thank you very much, ma'am, for your guidance and
Thank
for all the
you.
things that we have learned from you during this short-term training program.
Thank you, Abhijit sir. Thank you very much.
And to all the attending members, now it is time we will share the feedback form with you. This is the overall feedback form of the short-term training program, and you are all requested to please fill in this overall feedback form. The link to submit the feedback form will be shared on the WhatsApp group, and then you will get 10 minutes. And once you complete filling in this overall feedback form, then please do not disconnect. Please stay with us because an important step to get your e-certificate still remains, and that is passing the exams. So once you complete filling in this overall feedback form of this short-term training program, then we will conduct a short revision of the test. And once the revision is conducted, then you can of course go ahead and solve the test. And I hope that all of you are aware that you have to score minimum 60% or more marks in case if you wish to get the e-certificates. So right now we will share the link, and you can please go ahead and fill in the overall feedback form. Thank you.